Timer's ticking. Last chance to hit those likes. Let's get the party started. Yo! What's going on? What's going on, guys? What's going on? Come on, man. What's going on, guys? Bitcoin getting absolutely... I don't even know what to say. I mean, we're getting laser beam down to the downside. This is not even a lightsaber. It's not even... It's not even a lifesaver at this point. What's going on, fellas? Holy shit. What a pump and what a dump today. This was absolutely nuts, man. Holy shit, man. I've turned into Darth Vader at this point. I am officially Darth Vader, right? Oh my God, man. Holy shit. let me take the Darth Vader suit off here. Holy man, dude, the red lightsaber came down out of nowhere. Look at this shit. This is bigger. This is like the guy with the two lightsabers, man. This is like the you guys know. What was his name? The guy with the spikes on his head, and he's got the double lightsaber, and he's like, bah, bah. This guy came out of nowhere, man. Holy shit. Who we got in the chat? We got Joel in the chat. We got Crypto Shock. We got Omar. Who we got? We got Stefan. We got Filippo. We got Noob. We got Nick. We got everyone in here, man. What's going on, fellas? Holy shiza, man. Bitcoin came all the way up to 25,266. We were all screaming.
We're going to 100K tomorrow.
And then all of a sudden, Darth Vader comes out of nowhere. Darth Vader literally entered. Yeah, Darth Maul. I'm this guy. All of a sudden, Darth Maul comes out this bitch. And he just starts taking down people, man. He's just taking down peeps everywhere, bro. So, what a day, man. What a day. Darth Maul, man. Yeah, it's been a while since I watched Star Wars. Star Wars is a great series, though. I'd say that the three best series, like, in my personal opinion, are Star Wars. They are Star Wars, they are Harry Potter, and they are Lord of the Rings. Nothing beats those two series to me. Now, you could argue, you could make one argument, you know, for maybe another series. But as far as movie series, those are the three best. Hands down, nothing beats those, man. Star Wars is trash. Here we go. How can you say Star Wars is trash? By the way, guys, I was hopefully going to eat this for good news tonight, but we have the shrimps. We have the shrimps here tonight, by the way. In case you were wondering, you know, you guys really wanted to see me eat shrimps. But we have a problem with the shrimps. We have a
Everybody panic. We're going to zero. Shrimps,
guys. Not only do we see Bitcoin dumping back to the downside, but we also have these frozen. So we might have to wait, you know, maybe 20 or so minutes until these melt a little bit more. They're almost there. They're getting there. But we got the damn shrimps, man. We got the damn shrimps. And we got a little of this, you guys call this cocktail sauce, you weird seafood eaters. You weird seafood eaters call them this cocktail sauce. You know what I'm saying? I got the sauce. No, I got the sauce. Don't worry, I got the sauce. It's a little frozen, but I got the sauce, man. Let me see. Cook them, man. Cook them. Ah, man. These are the frozen ones. Let's see. But I have chicken nuggets. Probably you have chicken nuggets, Frank Fractal. Nice, man. Anyways, let's see Bitcoin's price, guys. Bitcoin got like just absolutely decimated to the downside, guys. I mean, this was a major resistance level, man. I mean, if we go back to the daily time frame, this was that 25,216 level that was absolutely massive. This was a huge level, right? This was the level everyone was saying, if we break this, we're going straight to 30K. I wasn't really convinced. I thought we might get a stop at like 26K or something with the golden pocket, but we got a big fat rejection off the previous high. Now, is it over? Is that it? Are we dumping back down to the downside, guys? Should we pack it up? Is it time to go on a fishing trip like Savvy? Yeah, hey, guys, what's going on, guys? It's Savvy. Yeah, Jordan, I'm going on another fishing trip. We just got a massive dump, so now I'm rich. My shorts are absolutely printing right now. If you want to come on a fishing trip with me, man, you're probably a little depressed right now. Come on a fishing trip with me. We can catch bass. Everyone's coming, right? I think even Bob wants to come this time, right? No, I don't want to go on a fishing trip with you. Why don't I want to go on a fishing trip with you? You're just going to talk about shorting Bitcoin and Litecoin. You're so negative. I don't want to go on a fishing trip with you. Nice, man. I never want to go on a fishing trip with Savvy. He's just so negative all the time. He doesn't have a positive bone in his body. Nice, man. And I do. I'm positive. All right, guys. Let's talk some levels. Let's get serious because Bitcoin is dropping. We actually just came back down to this important level here. But let's talk. So what have we been kind of been saying, right? So 4-hour time frame. I wanted to see this gray box hold if we were going to see a pullback off 25,000. I wanted to see this gray box hold, and unfortunately, now we find ourselves smacking that gray box, and we just shot right down from that level, all the way down to pretty close to the 0.5 retracement. I think from our swing lows to our swing highs. Okay, I might have drawn this a little bit wrong. Hold on. Right there. There we go. We just front run that 0.5 retracement of this range, right? So from lows to highs, we just came back to the 0.5 retracement, which if you actually extend this out, this is another big level here, right? So you got highs, you got highs, you got highs, you hit that level and you got a little bit of bounce. Now, okay, we're getting a bounce, but we don't care about the 4-hour time frame. We want to know what's going to happen on the bigger term time frames, right? That's what we want to know. Is it over? I know what people say now. Raul Silva said, this is no bueno. Yeah, I mean, not the best close on the 4 hour. I will definitely say that. Cheers to everyone, though. We got all the 10Kers coming back in here. All the 10Kers coming back in. There they are. They were gone for a day.
Everybody panic. We're going to
They
zero.
were gone for a day, and now they're back. I still zoom out, man. We're seeing a little bit of a drop, but I don't really see still, the whole reason to get all panic mode. I mean, you're still at 23,500. You were at this level yesterday, okay? So let's pump the brakes a little bit. All right, you were gonna get some type of reaction off the previous high, right? A lot of people are gonna take profits as you come up to this previous high. It makes some sense, right? People see it coming up to the high. They're shit, man. This was my target, 25K. So many people had that 25K target. So a lot of people took profits right here. A lot of people went short right here, right? So you saw a reaction off of it. Now, tomorrow is going to be key, right? Because, okay, today's today. You got the rejection. Now, how are we going to react now going into tomorrow? That's the big key for me, right? That's the big-ass key. What we don't want to see tomorrow is we don't want to see the bears get super pumped and start going, back row is bad. Round them up. Who we got? Where's my bears? I'm here. Round them up, boys. Put one in this bag. Come on, Savvy. Let's go. All right, I'm coming. We don't want to see the bear squad start to round back up and push us lower tomorrow. I'm not going to get too worried. It's the same point we got right here, guys. The same thing that we came down right here where I said, dude, okay, we came down. I'm not going to get too worried until really Bitcoin makes a new low. I mean, you're still at this point. Okay, you got to dump, but you still got the higher low structure, man. I know everyone likes to get all scared when the prices drop. It's like, oh my God, prices drop. I'm going to sell when prices drop instead of probably taking profits at 25,200. I'm gonna wait until we dump. It gets super panic mode, and then I'm gonna sell. Makes sense, right? Makes sense. Stupid. But anyways, how's the shrimp doing? We're doing good. All right. Here's the deal. We did fall below this daily high, right? So this level right here, right? This previous daily high, we did get a little bit of a fall through on the close. So what I want to see today, we just got the new open. Or I guess what I want to see today / tomorrow, because that technically is the new daily open. I want to see Bitcoin come back up and reclaim this level here at 23,741. If we can reclaim this level going into tomorrow, I really don't think today's that big of a deal, man. I really, really don't. And did we actually take 0.5 of this vector candle? We did. Look at that. We took about half that daily vector candle right there. So let's see what we get, man. If we can reclaim, if we can get back above this level, okay, and start getting back up here, it's a nothing burger, man. I mean, it is what it is. It is what it is at this point. Let me see. Just wait till all those longs liquidated, then it's short's turn. True. All the late longs just got smashed, right? Anyone who went long right here, okay, the time to go long was down here. This is when we were bullish. We were all bullish as hell down here, okay? This is when we were entering positions. Okay, we can be bullish up here, but this is when we're actually entering the positions, man, right? Not up here. So everyone who went long up here just got absolutely decimated. You know what I'm saying? Absolutely decimated if you went long up here. That's why you got to flip the mindset, man. Flip the mindset. This is the same thing I go in. As we were moving down, everyone got bearish right here, man. Everyone got bearish. Everyone bullish as hell up here. They go long, they get smashed. Price comes down. Everyone gets bearish at the lows. Gets smashed. Price moves up. Everyone gets bullish again. They get smashed long in the highs. Price moves down. Everyone gets bearish again. They short the lows. Price comes back up. They get smashed. The same thing over and over and over again. Come on, man. Come on. Flip the mindset, man. Red does not equal bearish. It's like this mindset we have with our head. Red does not equal bearish. Blue. Blue. I said blue, man. I said blue. I'm going on a rant right now. I'm going on a rant. I'm going on a massive rant right now. Blue does not equal bullish. Green does not equal bullish, okay? Green does not equal bullish. If anything, you should probably do the opposite. I don't know. That's just me. Let's see. You see Tino streaming a smart money, dumb money chart? Dumb money bought, smart money didn't. I did see that, but if you go back to the beginning of the chart and you saw the whole time the S&P was going up, the dumb money was bullish too. You know, it's like, all right, we're just going to focus on the one area in 2022 where dumb money bought the highs. I mean, no shit, it was a bear market. You know what I mean? Like, of course dumb money was buying the highs in a bear market. Come on. Come on, man. You don't think dumb money bought the highs in 2020, 2021, 2019, 2017? Of course they did. Of course they did. Come on. Anyway, so I'm going off. I'm going off. Let's see what Bitcoin does. If Bitcoin does break this $23,300 level, though, okay? I'm looking for this golden pocket right here between 23,851 and 22,722. This would be my preferred level. Right? If we were to come back down here, I'd look for some longs in this area because we do also have the 30 and 50 EMAs, preferably the 50 EMA, down here at that golden pocket. So there's a lot of confluence right there. This is actually my much preferred level if we actually come a little bit lower. I know no one wants that, right? Anyone with the stop loss sitting right here is like, bro, Jordan, shut the hell up, man. Shut the hell up. We don't want to go lower. I'm on edge right now, bro. Right? I'm literally on edge, right? Anyone with the stop loss. Jordan, shut the hell up. We don't want to go lower. We want to pump from here. No more lower. I'm so close to getting liquidated, bro. Right? But there's this golden pocket sitting right at this level right here, which, like I said, you got the 50 EMA on the 4 hour. Whoa, we're still this guy. We got the 50 EMA on the 4 hour, and we got that golden pocket. So that's really the level I'm looking for if Bitcoin does want to get another drop, which... honestly, like if it does, it does, man. I mean, I'll take it. I'll take it. And we know the most commonly retraced to fib level is the golden pockets. The golden pockets. And if we actually did come down there, that would take all these vector candles, close all those vector candles out, take all that liquidity, golden pocket, 50 EMA. There's so much shit right there, right? That's my preferred level. We might not get there, right? This could be the point where we bounce. But if we do get there, that's where I'm looking for long. Right here, right here is kind of like 50-50 to me right here. I'm not going to lie. Good vibes said, what back to 23K this weekend? Back to 23K? Yeah, I mean, this level is right around 22,850. I don't see why it couldn't get there. But like I said, it really to me is, if Bitcoin gets back above this, reclaims here, I'll be bullish. If Bitcoin comes back down here, I'll be bullish, right? Really, for me to get bearish, I want to see Bitcoin smack below the 618 here. Then it's like, okay, all right. We're getting a little struggle bus here. We're getting a little struggle bus. Who we got in the chat, by the way? We got Cookie Monster in the chat. I bet you enjoy cookies, man. Probably more than the shrimp. Guys, should we try the shrimp? Let's try the shrimp. Let's try the shrimp. Let's wake up, Asia. Let's try a little shrimp. Hold up. This is loud as hell, man. Holy shit. Here we go. Let's wake up, Asia. Can I get one of these shrimps off? It's still kind of frozen, man. Can I eat this frozen? Is it legit? Wait, let me make sure this is cooked. Cooked and peeled. Nice. Okay. Alright. It's kind of frozen, though. It's kind of frozen. But we're going to try it anyways. We're going to try it anyways. Let's do this. Ready? Oh my god. It's a frozen shrimp, man. It's a frozen shrimp. Make some it's not frozen. Don't eat frozen shrimp. Shrimp is rotten. Dude, it's cooked. It says cooked. It says cooked. You guys tell me not to eat the frozen shrimp. Heat it up. Dude, I can't just put this in the microwave. You know? Music sucks. Oh, come on. It's China music. It's China music. You need some cocktail sauce? I got some cocktail sauce, man, but it's still hard, man. Guys, can we wait for the shrimp for tomorrow? I'll put this in the fridge and we'll wait for the shrimp for tomorrow, guys. All right, because it's hard as shit. I want the cocktail sauce because apparently you have to have cocktail sauce. That's how you know something's not good. If you need sauce to be good, then you just like the sauce. You don't like the shrimp. You know what I mean? Like you don't need to cook, you don't need to dip chicken in cocktail sauce to be good. Like you can eat plain chicken, it's still good. You can eat plain steak, it's still good. The fact that you have to dip shrimp into something to be good means it ain't good.
Rant
Just
alert.
my take. You know, don't hate me for it. Don't hate me for it. That's just my take. Let's go back over to the daily time frame, guys. The daily time frame. Okay, all right. Bitcoin pulled back today. Continue to say, right? The 4 hours looking a little shady. You did get a 4-hour red dot, right, on Market Cipher. So you did see that move. Like right when you hit the highs, you got that Market Cipher red dot, and you just got an instant reaction off that level. 1 hour time frame. You did get the red dot, but like it's starting to curve back up if you can hold the support. 15 minutes actually about to print a green dot. So you might like immediate short term, this could be a bounce level. And you already kind of seen a slight bounce off this level. Like we said, this is the 0.5 retracement from our basically our lows that we just put in back down here to the swing high. That is the 0.5 retracement, which is usually a place that you do see a slight bounce from usually. So you see a little reaction here. Is it going to be the bounce? I don't know. But you are, like we said, we are about to paint that green dot on the 15-minute time frame here. We are oversold in the 15-minute. Like that means anything when you're going down hard, you know? It's like sometimes oversold, overbought. It's kind of a meme. It's kind of a meme sometimes, right? Because how many times you look at a chart, right? You're like, dude, the RSI is oversold, overbought. It's gotta stop, and it just keeps going, and it teases you. It keeps going lower. You guys know what I'm talking about. Or when the price, just like we've been looking at lately, right? Daily RSI was overbought for like 10 days straight. Bears like, oh, we're overbought. Price just keeps going up. Happens so many different times, man. But like the 15 minutes about to roll over. The 5 minute probably already did. So like let's see if we get a reaction off this 22,444. Let me just mark this off right here. This previous high. Let's see if we get a reaction off there, man. Let's see if we get a low reaction off there. It might be a small reaction. It could just be one of these where we come back, test, right? The EMAs, and then roll back over and go down. But let's see. But like, this is short-term time frame stuff. The point I'm trying to get at is, guys, okay, George went long at 69K. No, he did not. George did not go long at 69K. But you know what he did do? Hold up. You know what he did do? Let me bring it up. I am George. We're all George. Guys, today, have you seen Shiba Inu? Shiba Inu is looking super, super bullish right now, guys. All right? So, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to buy some Shiba Inu right now. I'm going to buy some Shiba Inu right freaking now. Let's throw a couple $100 in Shiba Inu. I do believe this could go to the moon, guys. Shiba Inu could go to the moon. So I'm going to buy some Shiba Inu here. Okay? All right. I just put some in. Yes. I
Bruh.
I know.
Stupid.
I know. Okay. George just bought some Shiba Inu literally at the exact wick high. In the 2021 bull markets. Okay, we know what to do now. We know exactly what to do. What we're gonna do, we're gonna pump it up five more little cents, and then we're gonna dump it. Okay? And then we're gonna pull it back up, and he's gonna say buy the dip. And we're gonna dump it again. Okay? Alright. See ya. Okay, guys. Oh, Shiba Inu is getting a dump right now, guys. This is where we buy the dip, right? We have diamond hands and we buy the dip. That's what we do. Look, Shiba Inu is getting a bounce back up. This is why you buy the dip and have diamond hands, all right? Don't worry, it's gonna go. All right. Anyways, shout out to George, man. George got good vibes, man. I love George. Anyways, back to the daily. We're talking about the bigger time frames, guys. The daily, the daily, 2-day, 3-day, these type of time frames still look good. Okay, so really, really, it's one of those things, guys. Like, did we really think? Like, let's be real. Let's be real. Did we really think that we were just going to? Okay, we might have been hyped as the price moved up, but did we really think? And I think I was live before we hit the highs, and we sort of went up later in the day. But like, did we really think if we tapped 25,200, okay, we were just going to instantly break it, right? I don't think even the bullish of the bulls thought like, okay, you were just going to go, right?
I will never
Obviously,
forget when George made
there's
me
so many
FOMO
people
into
that
Cadena
probably
at
had sell
$23.
orders
It was
sitting right there at
9 10 days
25,200 their target, right? So many people looking at that as the place is short. You were gonna get a reaction off that level. Now we got a big reaction, right? Darth Vader came in and sent us back to the Shadow Realm, right? He literally came in and he sent us all the way back. Where is he? Where is he? Nope, that's not him. That's not the good Darth Vader. We need the good Darth Vader, man. Where is he? What the hell is this? Nope. There he is. He sent us back to the Shadow Realm with a massive, massive, massive red lightsaber. I really want to see how tomorrow reacts,
George
guys.
went all in on Luna
I
at
really do, because
$113.
I will say
remember
this,
that.
like, if Bitcoin can just come right back up again, right, and just reclaim this previous daily close high at 22,741, this really is going to be a nothing burger, this dump here, and it's going to be looked at, dude. I mean, it was just a reaction off the highs. Like I say, we got the green dot in the daily, right? We got the stock RSI pointing straight to the upside on the daily, right? 2-day, we just got the green dot on the 2-day. Stock RSI pointing up on the 2-day, right? 3-day, you're on the close tonight, where are we at? Where are we at on this? On the close tonight, we should also post a 3-day green dot too. So once again, like, we'll see what happens here. Let's wait tomorrow out. If tomorrow ends up being another bad day where like price like dumps and we come back down here, right? Okay, then we're like, okay, dude, this is ridiculous, right? This probably isn't good, and we'll probably start panicking a little bit. You know what I mean?
Everybody
But
panic.
now,
We're
guys,
going
like,
to
take a little
zero.
chill pill. Take a little chill pill. If you're overextended to the market, guys, you're still at 23,600. Do not be afraid to take some off the table at the highs. But the key is to do it at the highs, okay? The key is to do it at the highs. Like, we're still at the highs. If you think Bitcoin's going to dump and you hold now thinking, okay, maybe there's a chance it pumps, and then Bitcoin starts coming back down, and then you start selling down here, that's where you're horse guy. But right here, right here, I mean, this was the previous high here, taking profits in this territory, if you feel overextended into the market, is not a bad idea. Okay, it's not, because the worst thing you can do is have that need for the price to go up, right? You should never feel the need for the price to go up. If you feel the need the price to go up, that means you're too into the market, and you probably need to deleverage a little bit, because you need the price to go up too much, right? So you're still at the highs. I'll say this, like, if you're one of those people who doesn't need the price to go up necessarily, I'm not too worried right now. I think you're worried if, like, dude, I can't take Bitcoin going lower here. I'm fucked. I'm literally fucked if Bitcoin goes lower, right? Bob, like, take Bob for example. Bob won't be able to pay his rent if the price goes lower, guy. Oh shit. I FOMO'd literally at the hot top of this wick. Oh my God, man, I was just feeling so bullish, man. Like, I thought we were going into a new bull market right now. Fuck, man. How am I gonna pay my rent? Shit, well, I'm good right now, but if Bitcoin drops another $500, I am literally fucked. I am literally so fucked. Oh my God, I'm so screwed, man. Why did I FOMO, man? I do it every time. Oh, I always tell myself, don't FOMO, but these green candles, they're so addicting to buy. I'm such an idiot. Why do I buy red candles? What the fuck? Nice, dude.
Rant alert.
Everyone feels Bob's pain right now. We've all been there. Everyone feels Bob's pain. But, like, dude, if you're too over leveraged at the market and you're feeling stressed out, take some out, man. You're still at a good level to TP. You still caught the move. If you were buying down here, you still caught the move up. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know, man. I don't know. But I'm not, like, I continue to say this. I need to let the see what tomorrow brings. I know I keep kind of saying that, but I need to let it see. Because how many times have I seen these big rejections, right? And then price just comes and takes the liquidity lower, then pops right back up because it was just a long liquidation event or whatever, you know. You know, obviously, let's let tomorrow play out. Seriously, we gotta let it play out. But I still think the bigger term time frames look good. We go to the weekly time frame, which will now have a big wick on the top side. Like, look at how big this level, guys. Did we really think we weren't going to see an initial reaction from this level? You had the 200 moving average coming up, 50 moving average coming down, previous high coming in right there. Like, look at that convergence right there. That is crazy, dude. You had so much shit right here, man. So much shit. So much freaking massive dog shit coming in right there, man. So, like, let's let the dust settle a little bit, right? And let's wait to see what the weekly close looks like. Right now, I'm hoping we can get a little bit higher here, close a nice weekly bullish engulfing candle, even though you still actually do have a weekly bullish candle, to be fair. A close anywhere above 22.9 is one. But, hey, I would like to close above both the red candles here. Get a close above 23,681, which you're only $60 away, even with the dump that you had today. So, let's see what we get, right? Let's kind of let the dust settle. But now we're kind of in the middle of this range again on the weekly time frame. So it's like, okay, here we go. Chewy said that rejection off the 200 moving average should push us back down to the lows. Back down to the lows, Chewy. Chewy. Hey, good, man. I'll never rule anything out for Bitcoin ever again. I will never, ever rule anything out. All right, so this level's getting a low reaction. I mean, nothing crazy though. Nothing crazy. Not the reaction I would like to see, right? Where you got that big buy up, right? People start long in here. I think everyone's scared right now, right? I mean, we look at the dollar. The dollar, which did have bearish divergence today, it was playing out, and then at the end of the day, you had frickin' James Bullard, that frickin' idiot, that low IQ idiot, James Bullard, come in here, right? Where is he? James Bullard comes out, freaking Fed idiot. He comes in and says, man, that James Bullard guy is such a low IQ idiot, isn't he, Jordan? Should we bench press to make sure? Let's bench press. That'll get our anger out on this idiot Fed Bullard. Come on, man. Let's go. Ugh. Come on, you freaking stupid Fed. Ugh. You low IQ idiot. You know nothing about crypto. Ugh. I'm the crypto lord. I saved crypto. One of these days, I'm going to give myself a friggin' brain aneurysm, man. I really will. But, no, the dollar's pushing up. Is it finally going to come for that 786 that we've been watching, man? Is it finally going to do that? That's the big question we got here, you know? Now, you kind of deviated from this bearish divergence. The dollar's kind of looking bullish for tomorrow, man. It's kind of looking a little bullish. You can make the case. Maybe you still got some bearish div, but I don't know, man. The dollar's looking kind of bullish going into tomorrow. Like, the bearish setup I had for this didn't really... It played out a little bit, but it didn't really play out as much as I wanted it to do. So, this could be going for that 786 up here, which would push a little bit of crypto down. All right, Bitcoin's getting a small reaction. Let me know, guys. Who longed from down here? Who got in that long? Let me know. Let's zoom in a little bit on Bitcoin. Nice little W formation on the small time frames. Come on, baby. Give us that little juice. Nice reaction there, man. But you left that wick, which is slightly annoying. Let's see. Brian said, we're going to the moon, but it was USD. You just had the wrong asset. Brian, we almost got you bullish, man. We almost got you bullish, Brian. We did. Woods and Waters. He's laughing in the chat. Dan said, BB looks like a... Oh, man. The troops are coming to support, push back to 25K. We'll see, man. Imagine the pain if Bitcoin just mooned right back up to the highs. Like, imagine the salt, right? They just come for all the longs, right? Just push all those longs out. And then they just bring the price right back up. Imagine the salt. I don't know if that's going to happen necessarily. But you are getting that 15-minute green dot. So the 15-minute looks like it could get a little push, maybe even back up to the EMAs. back up here towards 24,300 because you do have this vector candle here on the 15-minute, and you got the 30 and 50 EMAs. So I like this. You know, obviously going in now is a little bit more risky than getting at the lows down here. I'd probably wait for some type of retracement back down to the lows to form some bigger W formation, right? Like this, bop, bop. But a move back up to this level would make a little sense here. Lazarus said, I got dry powder. Of course you got the dry powder, man. Who doesn't got dry powder? Michael Jason said, I longed. Nice, man. Bear, I'm long on file, render, and blur. Go China. I'll give you a little juice, buddy. I'll give you a little juice. I'll give you a little juice. Pump that shit. I'll give you a little juice. I'll give you a little juice. For everyone's in a little scalp long right now. Or a swing long, right? I mean, I bet a lot of people try to take a swing long from this position too. Like, I don't hate this level. That's why I had it marked off before the stream. Like, the 0.5 retracement's usually not a joke. Usually not a joke. 618's even better. But the 0.5 ain't a joke, though. That is definitely facts. Definitely facts. Let's see if Bitcoin can get back above these previous daily closes. This would be pretty interesting. Right here. So we had these two previous daily closes where we had this previous M formation right here, right? You see this? We closed, couldn't close above, came back down. We came back up, deviated from the highs, and came back below. So I think this is interesting. If Bitcoin can reclaim this, okay, on a close tomorrow, you could be making that push back up because I still see this big giant wick up here on the daily time frame. No. I still see it, man. I'm looking at it. I'm staring at that shit back up to the highs. So we'll see. We'll see. But you got to reclaim this level. If you can't reclaim this level, you ain't going nowhere. You ain't going nowhere right now. See, you're even getting a little rejection off this on even the 15-minute time frame. Looking at the daily time frame. You know what I mean? So we'll see. We'll see. Teju said pump again. We'll see, man. We'll see. Honestly, right now I'm playing the if game, right? You got to break this. If you break this, yes, I do think we come back to the highs. If you don't, well, you're probably just going to come back down and then come to your next fib level, right? Which is down here. You know, so we're playing the if game. If this breaks, this. If this breaks, this. But pretty much, my man. Anderson said we're going back down to the bottom of the pump. It is what it is. Anderson thinks we're going back down to the bottom pump. Certainly could be. Honestly, like, to me, the most logical levels here. That's the 50 EMA. That's the golden pocket. That's the bottom of this previous range when you deviated, right? Really, this is still one big range, right? We've had like two deviations. We've had this range, right? This is really the range low here, and this is the range high. You've had one deviation to the lows. Came back up into the range, deviated the highs, came back into the range. Now you're really back in this range. So like this is kind of your range lows here. So it'll be very interesting to see what happens for Bitcoin next, guys. Everyone's got their opinions. Probably the same opinions they had when we were down here, no? But once again, I'm not going to get too bearish yet. I still think on the higher time frames it doesn't make sense to be bearish. Maybe, like I said, hourly, 4 hour, sure. But smaller term time frames, nah, not yet. Depends on the stock market. Facts. The stock market took a little bit of a poopy today. ES came back down. You're really just in a range for like the S&P is really just in a range, bro. Right? Nasdaq, really just in a range, right? I mean, it is what it is. So. I mean, we've been look at the S&P. We've kind of been just going up, down, in this general damn range for forever. So will we break it down? If we do break this down, that could be the start of something pretty big. So we'll see. Two Wolves said the Bears are done with. They're done with, man. No, the Bears had a good day today. They had a pretty good day today. I mean, both sides had a pretty good day today, right? We pumped, we dumped, we did everything. It was great. All right, what do we got? What do we got? Who else we got here? Sergio, should we short now? You can. That's what probably most people are doing right now. But hey, you take what you can get. You take the punches with the gives. You know, you take the punches with the gives. Ah, man, some good water, man. Look at Shib. What's going on over here? We got some alts coming back up. Matic actually getting a nice reaction off the 30 EMA. Matic getting a nice reaction. Dude, guys, did you see Floki today? Look at Floki still pumping, man. This is why you gotta get... I mean, I'm not gonna... Don't FOMO, guys. But this is why I am Team Meme Coin. I am Team Doge. I am Team Shiba, and I am Team Floki all day, baby. Come on, let me know if you're part of the Floki army, man. Let me know. Don't FOMO into this, man. You probably get that. Let me know if you're part of the Floki army, man. Freaking blow into the upside today. Look at this shit. Blow into the upside. Come on. That's not water. Let me know when you get out Floki. Wayne said, nope, I'm that guy nobody picked for their meme team. True. Hey, a lot of people would say that Bitcoin is the meme, you know? A lot of people would say that. Look at Floki, man. Floki just keeps going, man. I'm hoping Pussycat Financial eventually goes up too. I'm waiting on that cat rally. Eventually, guys, all you cat lovers, why do only the dog coins pump? Where are your cat coins, bro? I'm still waiting on that eventual cat coin pump. I'm holding Pussy Financial still, man. Where's the cat coin pump? God, man. See, this is why I always say dogs are better than cats. Even the cat owners don't want to pump their own coins, bro. Only Doge, Shiba, Floki. Pump your damn dogs, bro. Pump your damn cats. Where are you? Cats. Come on, man. All right, Bitcoin's still holding. You're seeing some altcoin reactions here. Really the ones that pumped today. I mean, Optimism really, let me go to some of these altcoins. Like, dude, Optimism off the 30 and 50 EMAs. This has been the play, right? Came back down. Unfortunately, it front run it a little bit, but you rose, you pulled back today, back to 30 and 50 EMAs. We just got to play this until it doesn't work, man. I mean, this is what we did the whole run up, right? You had your pullback, right? We play up, retest, up, retest, up, retest, up, retest, up, retest, up, retest, up. Okay, we break down. We wait for it to get back above. We get back above, retest, right? I mean, it's really it. And honestly, it's the hot coins you want to play. Optimism, Phantom, Matic's hot right now, right? The ones that are hot are the ones that you want to play. Optimism getting already a 4% move up in the last 40 minutes, right off that move. Matic's another hot play, man. I think Matic has really good news coming up. I think Matic still gonna get that move up, even if you're bearish on Bitcoin. I'm still looking at Matic to come up and tap these highs, bro, at 174. I'm still looking for that, man. I don't care what you think about Bitcoin. Matic's coming up to 174, and you can eat that, all right? You heard it here first. You heard it here first. Do not doubt me, okay? I think it's going to come at 174. Let's see. All right, Bitcoin's getting a pretty nice reaction off this level. Let's see what we get. That 0.5 retracement looking really, really nice. Are we going to get that reaction back up to 24,300? That'll be the test. Did Bitcoin get back above the daily closes? Let's see. Ooh, Bitcoin's starting to get back above that level. But it's all about the close at 7 o'clock tomorrow. It's all about that close, man. Can you deviate back up? That's the big question that we got tomorrow. Let's see. Let's see. Who we got? Boris said I'm going long. Bro, be careful, man. Be careful going long, man. Don't be going long on obviously we're going to zoom in a little bit. But on the retest, man. On the retest we go long. You know? On the retest. Look at Optimism. I'm already up 6% in the last 45 minutes, man. You can't make this shit up. You can't make this shit up. Floki, already pushing the highs. Man, is it possibly that Bitcoin cools down a little bit and altcoins get a little bit of a move here, guys? I don't know. It's looking kind of juicy right now for some of these. DYDX has been another hot one, right? We've been playing DYDX the whole run up. I mean, it's the same deal, right? Right. Okay, you're bearish. Okay, you're below the 4-hour EMAs. You get back above. That starts the new trend. Rise, come back down, retest. DYDX is honestly arguably my favorite chart in crypto right now. You broke the highs, okay? You came back down, back tested in a massive daily bull flag off the 30 EMA. This one just looks juicy, man. Well, we will keep playing this one until it doesn't work. You know? Let me see. Someone said 10K this weekend. I'll see you in a couple days, man. And when you're in here eating sushi in here. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. Where's the hype in the chat, man? Come on, guys. Don't let a little 2% move down on Bitcoin get you all crying. Come on, man. Come on. Keep the energy. Stay positive, man. Shit. Guys, did we not just learn this the other day when Bitcoin had a 10% drop and moved back up to the highs? You don't get bearish on the lows, man. Come on. Keep the energy up. Keep the energy up. If you need the money, take it out. But if you were feeling bullish yesterday, there still ain't no reason to feel bearish. Okay, you got a little drop. Whoop-de-whoa. 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 Come on, man.
Rant alert.
Keep that energy up. I sense depression in the chat. I sense defeat. It's when you feel that defeat is when you should feel the most bullish. It's when you feel the euphoria is when you should feel the most bearish. Come on, man. Come on. Don't feel defeated. Shit, man.
Alert.
I sense defeat in the chat. Oh, my Lord. Come on. Did we not just learn this the other day? Hold on. Let's get a little hype. Come on. Come on. Come on. Look at Bitcoin. Come on. See the good energy? Look at alts, bro. These alts are already up 3, 4, 5%. Come on, man. Come on. That's what I like. Oh, you can't hear anything. Oh, my Lord. You can't hear it. There we go. Come on. You couldn't hear the music there. Come on, man. Music on the $5 speakers. I think this was like a $10 speaker. I think this was a $10 speaker, man. Like this speaker was bootleg as hell. I think I got this from some like dollar stores and shit. It works good though. It's a good speaker. This thing can get pretty loud. Oh man. All right. Let's see what we got. Hood Rich said bearish on Jordan's music. No matter what song I play, someone's bearish about it. You know, like I can play every genre. It's bearish. You know? And then I listen to other people and their music is trash. And they're like, no one says anything about their music. Shit. You know what I mean? Let's see. Love that Boston nightlife. The Boston nightlife. I don't know. The Boston nightlife is kind of trash, man. Like out of any city, the nightlife in Boston is trash. Okay? Boston's not the city for nightlife. Now you can go to some nice bars, right? But like, it's not, Boston's not where you go to have fun at night. I will say that. You can, trust me, you can do it. I've been there. But you that's not the city that you're like, go there looking for like you ain't going there looking for strippers and and shit like that, right? You ain't doing that. All right, anyways, dude, can we get the Floki rolling, bro? Keep pumping Floki, bro. Keep pumping Floki.
Can you check out
Matic already back up to the highs.
THMKS?
Matic literally already back up to the highs. Let's see what we get. Matic literally already back up to the highs. Excuse me, man. I'm burping up a storm over here, bro. What else we got? Dude, all these altcoins, what they basically just did, rose, retested your moving averages. Just like you did on this whole run up over here. Retest, 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 retest. Now it could break down. That's why I use the stop loss. But like, if you're scared every time the price moves down, you're never gonna enter a long. You can be scared every time price is red. You're only gonna long when the price is green. Like shit, man. Come on. Matic already back up to the highs. Let's go, Matic. Let's go, baby.
Strap up. We're
Matic
going to the
don't give a shit.
moon.
That's why you're my number 3 holding, baby. Smacking that ass, baby. Smacking that ass, baby. Smacking that ass. We smacking that freaking ass, baby. We smacking that ass. Let's go. But Jordan, should I wait? I did not buy Matic on the dip. I was too scared. Everyone was telling me we were bearish in the chat. Should I FOMO into Matic now? Should I FOMO into Matic now? It looks bullish now. It was bearish here. It was very bearish right here. Now it's bullish. I think I will buy Matic now, right? I like to only buy when it looks bullish. I don't like to buy when it looks bearish. That's what pro traders do. They buy green candles and sell red. That's what I will do. No, but yeah, man. Let's see how much more juice Matic's got. You're probably gonna need Bitcoin. If Bitcoin settles right here, you could see some altcoins actually get some moves up. Bitcoin dominance is an interesting spot. If we go check out Bitcoin dominance, right? We've been watching this channel. Bitcoin dominance is coming up. So are we expecting Bitcoin dominance? Like there's two scenarios here I see for Bitcoin dominance, right? This is obviously a big resistance point right here on Bitcoin dominance, right? If this gets rejected, that could be the point where we actually break down. That would be the bullish. That's the super bullish scenario. That means altcoins are flying. Bearish scenario, it might not be bearish. It just means like Bitcoin outpaces altcoins to the upside or to the downside. You know, I'd say the more bearish scenario is this actually continues up like this and breaks this previous level here and comes all the way back up to the top of the channel. That's probably the more bearish scenario. Eventually, this will break down because this is a rising wedge. Breaks down 69% of the time. But yeah, I mean, that's kind of the question in the immediate short term is like, what does Bitcoin dominance do from this level here? Is it pump? Is it dump? You never really know what Bitcoin dominance, but like, we'll see. We'll see what it does. We'll see what it does, man. Come on, Floki. Give us a little bit more juice, baby. We ain't playing around with no Floki. We ain't playing around with no Floki. What else we got? What else we got? Nothing at the moment. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. We just need Jabba now. Facts. I need to find a good Jabba, man. The problem is Jabba is iconic, man. I need like a good Jabba, you know? I need a good fat man. You know what I mean? Jason Casper, what's going on, buddy? I'm currently in no trades right now, man. I'm in no trades. 0 trades. Zilch, nada. I probably could have put a long position in this box right here. But I was going to start streaming, so I was like, do I really want to be in a long when I'm streaming? Probably not. Especially when the price is just coming down like a catapult. But no, I am not currently in anything. But I am net long from the spot holdings, you know what I'm saying? But I'm currently not in shit. Guys, go check out Jason Casper. He's an absolute stud. He's the only guy who's funnier than me. Only guy who's funnier than me in crypto. I will say that. So go check out the man, Casper. He trades those 5-minute time frames like I've never seen anyone trade, man. That guy goes nuts. Nuts, man.
Rant alert.
If you like scalping and shit like that, he's definitely your guy. Let's see. When funeral for Cam Fam? Never the funeral for the Cam Fam, man. We don't have funeral for the Cam Fam. By the way, guys, smack up that like button. And yes, we say button here. We don't say button. Why do we not say button? Well, because If we say button, you know, you might get a little tight, right? You guys don't want to hear smack the like button, so your button might get a little tight if we say button. So we say baton here, right? You don't want to be like this guy where your pants don't fit, right? You want to press the like baton. So make sure you do it. Make sure you do it. Let's see. Let's see. We posh? Let's see. Baton. Dan said like and subscribe. Dan, we got Dan the man Mains in this bitch, man. Dan the man Mains. What do we got, man? What do we got? So we got a couple altcoins coming up right now. I mean, pretty much Bitcoin's just deciding what does it want to do in the short-term time frame here. You got a 50-minute green dot. It's wanting to see, does it want to hold the 0.5 retracement or does it want to come all the way back down to the golden pocket down here at 22,800. That probably wouldn't be a pretty sight for the bulls here, but we'll see. Like honestly, tomorrow for me, I'm watching this daily close. I don't want to close below all right, today is today. It is what it is. I don't want to close tomorrow below the 23,741 level because then you're just kind of coming back into this massive range and it's like you're coming up to back test to try to get back above and you just can't do it. And you're like, dude, what the hell? So we want to get back above this level, really. This is what we want to do. Angel said, what's the best place to trade crypto derivatives? I use Bybit, man. So, I mean, like, I have a link in the description if you want to use it. I don't shill it, but if you want to use it, it's in the description. But just make sure if you're trading leverage, never trade without a stop loss. Number one. Too many people do that, man. I see too many people get liquidated every damn day. Don't trade without stop loss, okay? If you don't know how to use a stop loss, learn to do that before you trade. And don't keep the money you don't trade on the exchange. Put it in a wallet, all right? Number two, the biggest two rules is if you trade without a stop loss, you're gonna get liquidated. You're gonna get liquidated, man. So make sure you do that. Make sure you learn how to do it first before you do it. Because you're gonna get wrecked if you don't. You're gonna get wrecked. Let's see. Calculus is the best way. Calculus is the best way, huh? Let's see. Total market cap. Total market cap. Interesting chart today, right? Total market cap. You came all the way back up to tag this pie. Like, where'd my freaking trend line go? Here we go. You basically came back up to tag this sort of previous, sort of highs that you had bearish divergence where you dumped from, and then you came back up, you tagged it again, you got dumped from that level again. It's really the same chart as Bitcoin, man. It's like now you're back below this level, right? Now you're back below this high, right? These highs. We got to reclaim back above. If we can get back above there, okay, we have a chance to push up higher. But if we stay below here and we start closing candles below here, it's the same kind of thing, man. It's the same kind of thing. Darth Vader is going to come in this shit, all right? Becker is going to start calling out Cardano holders again, man. What's going on, guys? It's Becker. Listen, guys, I told you about this Bitcoin pump to the upside. Unfortunately, Cardano's not going to make it. I really do think this is Cardano's last pump, and it's going to zero after this. Honestly, if you're a Cardano holder, all right, I don't know what you're doing at this point. You're just salty that you've been holding it since $3 and it just can't go up, all right? Honestly, if you're still a Cardano holder at this point, you are a virgin. Okay, you are a virgin. I'll tell you right now, I am not a virgin. You could probably guess why I'm not a virgin. I have six-pack abs, I own 6 businesses, and I still have time to bang moms. Okay, I am an alpha male. You are a loser who lives in their basement and who owns Cardano. Okay, sell your Cardano, buy gaming tokens, guys. All right, get a 6-pack. That's how you're successful in life. Not by sitting in your basement and jerking off to Charles Hoskinson. All right? Get off your ass. Shit, man. All right. Becker out. Peace. Dan said, JJ, where you at? JJ probably dies a little bit inside every time we bring in Becker over here. You know what I'm saying? Anderson said, I want to see Becker and Hodgson get a fight. Oh my God. Imagine Becker and Charles. I think Charles would have that strength, man. Did you guys actually know how old Charles is? Charles, that dude looks like he's so old. But dude, I'm pretty sure Charles, I don't remember his exact age, but I was shocked when he said it. I think he was like around my age. And I was like, there's no way that dude is my age. He looks so old, man. He looks like a battered bull. Right? The definition of a battered bull is Charles Hoskinson. Like, shit, man. Shit. Oh, Floki, man. Come on, Floki. Come for those highs, baby. Come for those highs. Yeah, that's the Cardano guy.
He's like 34 or 35.
He's 34?
Something like that.
Oh, he's 35.
He's my age.
He's 35. He's 34? Okay, he's 34, 35. But yeah, I was shocked when he was 34, 35, man. To invent Cardano, right? Like what is the fifth biggest crypto, and to be that, yeah, that's crazy. I mean, I know Vitalik is the stud. I mean, no one matches Vitalik. Dude was like a teenager creating a $300 billion freaking crypto. You know what I mean? Like, no one's ever going to match Victor Vitalik, bro. You know, we all know how awesome Vitalik is in this track, guys. Look at how happy and clappy he is. Like, look at him. No one's going to match his level of studness. You know what I mean? No one's going to match his level of studness, bro. You know? Bitcoin just chilling right now, by the way, guys. 5-minute time frame. You kind of got a nice little W formation in the 5-minute. I kind of like it. I kind of like it. You got the first hit, the rise, the retrace. I bet this was a golden pocket. Let's see. It was a 0.5. Close enough. Came back up. Came back down. Retested the W. Now let's see if we can get that move up. The 15-minute, I think the 15-minute looks kind of juicy. The 15-minute looks a little bit juicy. I think we're coming up to take this vector and coming up to take this, to tap these EMAs here. And its confluence with this previous low coming in right here at 24,300. I think we eventually make our way back up there. Eventually, right? We could spike back down first, like we said, to make a bigger W like this. But like, I think we're coming back up to take this little level here. And that could be the point where you start to come back down again. But let's see what we got. Let's see if Bitcoin's got the juice. Let's see it's got the momentum to get a little pump. To get a little pump, pump. Man. All right. Let's see what else we got. Ethereum did the same thing as Bitcoin, right? I mean, it is what it is. Ether. Why do I say it like that? I'd never have a list besides when I say ETH, man. Never. Never, bro. Never. You guys want to see another cool Vitalik clip? Oh, no, not this again. Oh my god. I can turn it off. There we go. I want to see Vitalik picking his nose. There we go. Guys, this is Vitalik too. This is the creator of a $300 billion crypto right here. This guy right here with his friend. Look at his friend. His friend looks just as nerdy as Vitalik. Look at him. Man, look at his shirt he's got on, man. Look at the shirt. He loves unicorns, bro. He loves unicorns. You guys notice how Vitalik he always got a unicorn shirt on. He's got a massive cock in his pants. You guys know what I'm talking. If you've seen the picture, you know how massive Vitalik's cock is. All right, Ethereum. Same kind of deal, right? You spiked up to the highs. You came back in. You could call it a swing failure pattern, whatever you want. It's kind of the same deal as Bitcoin, right? It's like, okay, you're rejected off of what has been a big resistance. I mean, since November, right here and right here. You spiked up, got rejected. It's the same point. I want to see how tomorrow looks. If ETH starts coming back up tomorrow and starts doing this, right? I mean, you're not even going to remember today. So it's one of those things where it's like, okay, cool. We saw the rejection. We saw Bitcoin get the rejection. Obviously, all coins are going to get rejected if Bitcoin does. Now let's see what comes next, right? I'm still looking for that 1789 level. Looks juicy up there, man. It looks pretty juicy. And they happen to leave the daily wick right here that they never going to leave. They're going to come up for that wick at some point. So we'll see what we get, man. We'll see what we get for Ethereum, but it's the same thing as Bitcoin. You got the daily green dot on Ethereum. You got the 2-day green dot, right? Printed. You're probably going to have the 3-day green dot print tomorrow, as long as you don't freaking like dump down to the oblivion tomorrow. You're most likely going to have the 3-day green dot too. So bigger term time frames, still looking okay. Shorter term, it's pretty 50-50 from this point, in my opinion. Let's see. We always go back for them. We always go back for the wicks. For the wicks. Let's see what you guys are thinking. You remember this at 14K? Trust me. Brian, now it's 14K. You were calling for 8K. Now it's 14K? Come on, Brian. Come on, Brian.
Strap up. We're
Did
going
this
to the
pump up get you a little
moon.
bullish? I think it did. I think it did, Brian. I think it did. All right. Like we said, guys, we got some altcoins getting a small little reaction here. I mean, actually, some of them are pretty decent size. It's really the hot coins, man. It's really Optimismatic, right? DYDX, FTM, the ones that have been performing pretty good consistently here. Let me actually just sort this again. Obviously, Floki too, but Floki's going to do Floki things, man. Floki's going to do Floki things, you know? Floki is going to do Floki freaking things in this bitch. Floki's a nut burger, bro. Like, I'm telling you right now. Let me see what you guys are saying in his super chats here. We got some super chats coming in. We got Bag Holder said, I will never, oh my God, man. He said, I will never forget when George made me FOMO into Cadena at $23. He didn't make you do it. Listen. Can we do a quick rant alert, guys? No matter what anyone says, blame yourself if you make a mistake, okay? Blame yourself if you make a mistake. Because here's the thing when it comes to that, guys. Say if George told you to buy Cadena at $23 and it went to $1,000, you would have thought he's a genius, okay? But it dumped, so now you blame him. Don't blame people for your buys and your sells. It's you pulled the trigger, okay? That's like saying, this person, I murdered this person. He told me to do it. It's all his fault. He told me to do it. I didn't want to do it. He told me to do it. Right? That's not how it works. You press the buy button. You press the sell button, which means you felt bullish or bearish about it yourself. Right? So don't be like, because here's how it works. If the price pumped, you would have been like, I'm a genius. I bought it. I'm literally a genius. It's all my fault that I'm a genius. I'm literally a crypto genius. But if the price dumps, you're looking for the first person to blame. Right? You don't say, oh, I'm an idiot. Right? You just look for someone to blame. Right? We know this. And I've been there. Backholder. I'm not blaming. I'm just putting it out there, though. But backholder, that is true. It was $9 10 days later. That's pretty funny, man. It's kind of like when you bought, you sold. No, I don't think he did that. I don't think he would do that. I genuinely think George holds everything that I don't think he actually sells. Like, if there's anyone who I believe that never sells crypto, it's him. I really don't think that he sells his crypto. I think he just holds everything he buys. I dead ass think that. Man. I'm serious. Dirk Jensen said, Your Honor, Jordan told me to be bullish. Hey, man, if you listened to me the last 2 months, you've been doing pretty good. I'm just saying. Let's see. Is Asia awake? I don't know. Are they? Let's ask him. Asia, you awake? Asia. Wait. I don't know if Asia is awake, but Jordan, Italy is awake. Can we play Italian music? We are awake right now. Let's play Italy. Let's find Italy music. Jordan, okay, yes. Jordan's finding Italian music so we can get the FOMO. Let's see. Let's feel the FOMO for Jordan. Let's search Italy. Okay, here we go. Wait, what is this? Hold on. Oh yes, this is getting me feeling FOMO. Here we go. I'm Italian, guys. Like, it's not racist. Why is everything racist now? You can't make a joke. I'm feeling so much FOMO right now. You guys are funny, man. Oh, man. All right, there we go. Why, can I say this? Like, why is it, can I say this, guys? Like, and I am Italian. I am, yes. Why is everything racist if you're not the thing? But as soon as you're a thing, it's not. I'll never get it, man. I'll never get it. It is what it is. Like, if someone made fun of me for something that's true, I wouldn't be mad. All right. Anyways. All right. Phantom. Phantom coming up. We know we were playing Phantom off the 30 EMA. And what do you know? 4% pump off the 30 EMA. Optimism. Playing off the 30 EMA. What do you know? 5% pump off the 30 EMA. Oh my God. It's almost like buying red candles works. It's almost like buying the candles where everyone sells works. Wow. I would have never thought. I would have never thought, man. At least for a scalp trade, right? Everyone panics. You take their panic. They buy back here. Then you sell on them. You know what I mean? Like, all right. What else have we got? DYDX. Same kind of setup. We already talked about DYDX. We talked about Matic. What's another of the good ones? Cody's been a pretty popular one. Cody, Rise, Retrace. Right? I mean, just pretty... I mean, actually, I actually really like Cody's chart. This chart actually looks pretty dope. The reason why I say that is, let's just clear this out. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Why do I like this chart? It's your classic reclaim. It's your classic reclaim, right? You got the range lows, your previous range lows over here. You got support, 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 support. What do? You deviate those lows, right? Market maker comes down, takes the liquidity below, comes back into the range. Okay, comes back down. What do? Moving averages come right back to that support level. You hold it as support. What do you do when you deviate a range and hold as support? Usually come back up to the range highs, right? This is my preferred setup here when I'm looking for trades. Doesn't mean take it, but like I kind of like this one. Like, if I was looking at this one right now, for maybe some type of swing trade, if it came back down and back tested the lows, dude, I'm playing this shit back up to the highs all day if I'm not streaming. Shit. Let's see, Bitcoin. I said Bitcoin looks good on the 15-minute. I like it. I like it. I like it on the 15-minute time frame. And once again, it's a 15-minute time frame. The hourly, if Bitcoin can kind of just settle here on the hourly, you're going to get that hourly green dot as well, which could give you that boost to really get you up here. So this is an interesting level for Bitcoin, guys. An interesting level for Bitcoin. It really is. Like I said, the daily close pretty bad, but if you can come back up in this range, I mean, and Bitcoin gets back up here by tomorrow, I don't think people... This is going to look like a nothing burger. This dumb. If Bitcoin come back up to this range by tomorrow. It really is. Because you're really just going to keep trying to knock on 25K until you can finally break it. It might take a few tries. Wes said, wait for CZ to choose Jed Cody as the new stablecoin. You think so? Cody? The Code Meister. Let's see. Look at the DXY open. I'm sure it's shooting up. I'm sure it's shooting up. Yeah. Dude, my overall target for the DXY has been the 786. And now you're almost there. You're almost at that 786 retracement. You know what I mean? And you would expect some type of reaction. Just like we expect Bitcoin to have a reaction at resistance, you would expect the DXY to have a reaction off the 786 here. Which we've been looking for this inequality in the chart to have some candles open in there here, right? So if it comes up to that 786, you're getting a nice 2-for-1.
Wait for CZ to choose Jed Cody as new stablecoin.
But we'll see, right? We'll see if... I mean, at this point, you got to assume it's going to get up there at this point because you smack the golden pocket. So you got to expect it's going to come back up here. That's going to be the big test, though. Like, will the dollar just retrace the 786 and then start coming back down? That's going to be the big test. Because you could draw the dollar, right? And I'm kind of spitballing a little bit here. But could you draw the dollar if you're into patterns as one big rising wedge, right? Could you not, right? I mean, I don't think this... I mean, there's multiple touches on every side, right? I mean, you could draw it like this now, multiple touches, but like, could you make the case here, right? How many rising wedges have we seen pump up in crypto? So many freaking rising wedges when an asset's bullish, you know? Let's see.
CZ hints on Jed. 8 is stable, backed by Cody.
Market ripped. Let's see. Let's see. Wake it up. No sound. We back? We back? You guys saying the market ripped, man. What are you saying the market ripped for? You guys trolling me? You trolling me. You freaking trolls, man. You trolls coming in here hot today, aren't you? You coming in hot in here, man. Holy shit. You hot saucers coming in here today. Jordan, the stream just got rugged. The stream just got rugged, Jordan. Guys, let's all troll Jordan and say his stream got rugged. He's gonna be so mad because he acted like an Italian. Oh man. Let's all troll him. No, I can see it's actually lagging over here. I can see that shit. We lagging up this bitch. Chief canceled. Oh, get out of here. Get out of here. We're all humans. You know, we're all humans. What if aliens came down to make fun of humans? You know what I mean? Would that be racist? I don't know. I don't know if it would. Let's see. Stream lag for like 30 seconds. I don't know why it's doing that. I think it's YouTube playing games right now, man, because Streamlabs ain't telling me there's no internet messed up here. It was like 10 seconds. I went for real down. Because I never trust. Sometimes you guys play some games, man, and you say the stream's going down even though it's not. But this time it actually is. I can see it. All right, anyways. Still just kind of watching Bitcoin on these shorter term time frames. Really not doing too much at the moment, guys. I mean, honestly, the Asia sessions has been so boring lately, man. So freaking boring. All the action happens between 9 o'clock and 4 o'clock during the damn New York session. Every single time, man. Let's look at the daily, though. The daily. Oh, you guys had more super chats in there. I apologize, guys. I've been so distracted today. Let's see. Caesar said Darth Maul. Bro, we got Darth Maul to the downside, man. That was a giant Darth Maul to the downside. It was absolutely crazy today. Absolutely crazy today. Right? We literally got blasted to the downside. Darth Vader came out, right? I think it was Savvy. Savvy came out in his Darth Vader costume, and he was like, you will not push the price up. Okay? Bow down to Vader. Yes, you know, it's not Savvy in this costume. It's actually Darth Vader. We will go back down to the downside. Bow down to Vader. That's why he's got the glasses. Why does he have glasses? Why does he have glasses in this? I'm shocked. Since when does Darth Vader wear glasses? I don't know. Doesn't make any sense to me. But apparently he does. Apparently he does. What else you guys saying here? Sawu said Salim. Salim. I think that's what you said way back in the day, man. I forget what that means though. Psycho Pro said alts wiped out their weekly gains. Alts wiped out their weekly gains. Yeah, I mean, a lot of them had big run-ups in the 4-hour time frame and got a retrace. I would say that. I would definitely say that. And I can make the same argument, man. I mean, if I want to go to the daily time frame, right? You know, I could wipe out that. I can say that the Bears lost all their gains from November. No, you know, I could say that. I could say that if I wanted to, but I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to rub into the Bears. This is the Bears' day today. Okay, like we always say, sometimes we have to throw them a little bone, right? So they get confident, right? Because here's the thing, guys. If we just go up in a straight line, the Bears are going to lose their confidence, right? And they're going to go along. We need them to continue to have little dips along the way, so they keep shorting, right? Every time the market comes back up, they're like, oh, Bitcoin, this is it. Bitcoin comes back up, they go short, so then we have more shorts to liquidate, right? We need the bears. Just like the bulls need the bears and the bears need the bulls. We need the bears. If everyone was a bull, there'd be no market. There'd be no market. You know what I mean? So, yeah, I mean, like, we need to have dips. You know, we need to have dips. Like if the market does something like this, there'd be no seller. So who are you gonna sell to? You ain't gonna be able to sell. The exchange would say, no, there's no one selling. You can't sell it. You can't sell it, man. You know, the price would just go to infinity. But like, yeah. The swords and shields, the bears kicked in the nuts. All right, let's see if Bitcoin can get a little rise up here. I'm liking this little short-term time frame play. The 15-minute with that green dot played out pretty damn well there. In the hourly, it's gonna take a couple hourly closes, but that could be getting that green dot if we're kind of projecting out. Probably in 2 hours, if this kind of can just even stay at these levels, you'll probably get that flip in about 2 hours if we sort of project that out. So let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. I need all my Vikings, guys. Like I said, we need to keep that energy in the chat, my guys. Like, this is ridiculous. Bitcoin, I would have thought that Bitcoin would have dumped 20% today, bro. Bitcoin was down 2% today on the day. 2%. And it's like the sky's falling from the earth. Guys, I keep saying this. If you're going to get wiped out by a 2% candle, you ain't going to make it in the bull market. Do you know how much the Bitcoin dips during a bull market? There'll be days where it dips 10% in a day and then comes back up 10%. And you know this if you were around in 2020, okay? There's days, there's weeks, right, where the price looks bearish. I mean, this week right here, Bitcoin went down 16% and then rose right back up and closed back above. You know what I mean? This looks like all green because you're on the weekly, but if you zoom in, you're going to see days where you drop 10%, 20% all the freaking time. If a 2% candle's going to wipe you out, you ain't going to make it, bro. You ain't going to make it. You're going to sell way earlier. You're going to basically sell the first pullback if that's the case. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. That's my take. But anyways, let's get the swords and shields rocking in the chat. Let's freaking go, man. Let's freaking get busy. Hold on. Let me get this rocking and rolling. Let me get this rocking and rolling here. Let's see. Macro Monger's mad? No, Macro Monger's like, guys, we're at positive vibes tonight, man. We got positive. Let's get the positivity in this bitch. No, this is not good. This is a horrible one. Let's get this one going. Let's get those positive vibes. Come on. Let me see those swords and shields. We're fighting back, baby. We are fighting back. This ain't it. We're fighting back. What's the dollar doing? Dollar's chilling. What's futures look like right now? They're probably red. Come on, baby. That's some sus music. All right, we need a little bit of this. Oh no, this is sad. This is sad. This is giving everyone PTSD for today. This game is actually pretty damn good. Of course, you guys like the one that's like the most sus. You kind of like that one? Come on, baby. Get in this chat right now. Don't be losing that energy. Come on. Let's go. Swords and shields in the chat! Oh, man. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. The chat is moving now. Let's keep this rocket rolling. Let's keep that chat moving. Let's keep smacking that like button, by the way. And if you're not subscribed to the stream, make sure you press that subscribe button. Tomorrow we'll be eating the shrimp. I did get the shrimp. Vikings apparently eat processed shrimp. We have the processed shrimp with the cocktail sauce, all right? With the cocktail sauce. And we will be eating the shrimp with the cocktail sauce, okay, tomorrow. Because it is frozen. Because I got it right before the stream, not knowing that it was going to be frozen, okay? I thought I would find one that was in the fridge, but apparently they don't have them in the fridge. So, this is what we'll be eating tomorrow. I'm not going to eat this whole thing. How many calories are in this? Let me see. How many calories in this? There's only 240 calories in this whole thing? Bro! How much protein's in here? 26 proteins. 50 proteins? 50 proteins in this shit. 240 calories, 50 proteins, man. That's some shit. I might eat the whole thing. Ah, that's some good shit, man. 240 calories in that whole pack, bro. That is some serious carnage. 52 grams of protein in that shit. Let's go, baby. Seafood has a F ton of protein. What else is in this shit? What else do we got? Okay. This is pretty good. Vitamins. Ah, you don't got no vitamin D. That's okay. You know, that's okay. We can drink some milk. All right. All right. Maybe I'll eat the whole thing tomorrow. If I like it, I'll eat the whole thing. Something tells me I'm not going to like it, but I'm going to try. I'm going to try to eat the whole thing. I'm going to try. Look at Floki. Oh my God. This thing has no chill, bro. Look at Floki. Floki. Come on, baby. We running this back. The next Doge, baby. Give me that Floki. Elon tweeted about Floki. Oh, so great. So great. Come on, baby. Elon switching to Floki. F Doge. Come on, baby. Give me the float. Oh, it's probably doing its thing. Let me see. Psycho Pearl. George went all in on Luna at 113. Hey man, you make some mistakes. I think we've all done it before. Listen, I bought XRP at like $3 in 2017, bro, and I held that shit all the way down. I held that shit all the way down to whatever the bottom was. What, 20 cents? Yeah, and then I rode it all the way back up before the SEC pump. It went to like $1 something. It was looking juicy, right? And then the SEC case dumped it all the way back down to the lows, and I sold the lows, man, on XRP. I'm happy I did now because I think I put that money into ETH, and ETH went up way more, so it worked out. But like at the time, I was pissed, man. I was pissed at XRP. I would never forgive XRP. We've all done it. We've all done it before. I've definitely done it. Let's see. Can you check out ADA? Yeah, we can check out ADA. I mean, I don't know, man. Should we check out ADA? Should we check out ADA? I don't know. No, Jordan. I'll do the ADA TA. All right, I will do the ADA TA today. Let's bring up ADA. Jesus Christ, man. How many times do I have to do ADA TA? It sucks, man. ADA's not going anywhere, guys. The whole market moving. Look at ADA. It ain't doing shit. Now, ADA could get a little short-term pump here, right? You basically came up, you retested the 30 and 50 EMAs like Jordan likes, and now you're seeing a reaction of the 30 and 50 EMAs. Hourly is about to post a green dot if Bitcoin can hold up in this range, probably in the next 1 or 2 hours here. So you might have a nice reaction back up to the upside in the short term. I'm going to tell you guys right now on the weekly, this is what Cardano's going to do, guys, on the weekly. Okay? It's going to first it's going to do this. Okay? Then Cardano's going to come. It might come up a little bit higher here. Get everyone excited, right? Hoskinson's going to preach, you know, best project. You know, the Cardano holder's going to be jerking off, right? Kind of like this guy in the corner jerking off. I love Cardano. I love Cardano. Charles is awesome. My dollar cost average on Cardano is $2.98. I'm bullish on Cardano. You're going to be like that guy. It's going to pump and it's going to dump. No. Anyways. No, seriously. Cardano, let's be serious. Let's be serious for 2 seconds. Right? A little bit of seriousness. Yeah, I mean, Cardano had a big swing failure pattern. So, I mean, really, it's the same deal as Bitcoin. You got to get back above these highs now because what you basically have is you swung fail the tops and you came back into the range. So, like, that's typically pretty bearish. The only way you get this bullish, and it's the same thing we're looking at Bitcoin right now, man, right, is you got to get back above here. right? You can't come back up, find resistance again at this lower price you did before, and then start to come back down. You can't do that. You can't do that. So I do think this will come and test this. The question is, will it break here at like 40.4 cents? That's the big question. If it does and you continue up, you're on for the ride because, listen, your momentum indicators look good. Daily green dot, same thing. 2-day green dot, 3-day green dot, right? The daily, 2-day, 3-day look good. But now you gotta test the bears and say, can I break back above that level now after getting a smack back down to reality? You know, that's the question for Cardano here. I mean, listen, like, if Cardano breaks back above this level, okay, it can sustain it. I think it's this is a big deviation. I'm looking at this coming back up to like these highs. If it's 50, 58, 60 cents. But you gotta sustain this level and not just get a little peak above, a peekaboo, and peak back down in one day. You know, you can't have a little peekaboo action. You can't have that little peekaboo. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Let's see. But yeah, I mean, listen, like from right here, right? What we need is, okay? What we need is, how do I play this? Like, because some people want like a prediction, okay? You got to play it ifs, man. Ifs. Everyone always wants to play prediction. I will always say this: traders don't predict; they have a level to the upside and to the downside, right? So you got a good, nice bounce. But now, here's how I go long. Here's how I go long on Cardano. I get back above here, and I reclaim this as support. Okay. Here's how this is my long trigger right here. Okay. My short trigger, Cardano gets back up to this level here. Can't reclaim this high, right? And then you make some type of M formation right here. That's the short trigger, and then you're probably coming back down. That's it. We're not going to make this too difficult. And you know, that's more of a short-term trade. I still think the daily looks good though. All right, and I'll continue to say this: I am bullish on crypto on the longer-term time frames. That's it. Bullish on crypto in the longer-term time frames. That's it. I mean, I'm not changing my bias off of one red candle that pushes you down on Bitcoin. That really was a 2% move today. You know what I mean? It really is what it is. So I have to be bullish on Cardano. You know what I mean? I have to be bullish on Cardano, man. Let's see. Okay, where go? Add another cup. What we got? Come on, Bitcoin. See how Bitcoin's just kind of struggling with this level right here, man? You see how Bitcoin's kind of just struggling with this level right here, man? It's flirting with those previous daily highs. It's flirting with those highs. It's literally just flirting. It's like kissing. It's kissing, man. It's really just it's a little shy, right? Like right now on the other side of this line, I think you got like the chick that you really like is behind this line, right? So let's say you're back in high school, right? You're 15 years old, right? And there's this 16-year-old girl in the class above you, right? And she's sitting there, right? She's got the beautiful hair. Sitting up here, right? At this wick, right? And this wick is the annoying bully guy who's her boyfriend, right? So you basically got the annoying bully guy. He wears a weird hat, sideways because he thinks he's cool, right? He wears a hat sideways, okay? And he thinks he's awesome. This is the weird bully guy. He's the wick, okay? And this is the shy girl from high school. She's sitting right there. Your issue is your shyness, right, is this white line. So you're being very, very shy. You don't want to even go past that white line because if you do, you might feel like you're going to get rejected from this girl, right? And you might feel like the bully might come and just smash you back down. So you're a little scared. You don't want to get punched by the bully, right? You don't want to get rejected from the girl that's 1 year older than you. So what do? You just kind of sit here and hope that she says something to you. You hope that you know, maybe she has a friend that sees that you like her, right, and tells her, hey, you should have that little, and gives you that little push, right? Hey, go talk to her, man. She might like you too. She doesn't like her bully boyfriend, you know. So she pushes you to go talk to the girl, and then that's when, you know, the bully gets mad, tries to punch you in the face, and then you liquidate him by taking his wick. You know what I mean? So that's kind of the deal we got right now, right? You're being a little shy. You're being a little shy, man. You know. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens at the damn wick. The prompt pattern. Thank you. Cope said extremely educational. That's kind of what we're doing right now, right? The bulls are a little scared to go long right here. You know, they're a little scared. They don't know if they should. Dude, let's see. It's deep. It's deep. Oh, man. All right. Let's see. Floki's a beast. OP's a beast. All right. Let me see if you guys asked for any altcoins, man. Altcoins. Are you in a long or short? Okay, we did that. Wes said, wait for CZ to join Jed Cody. Yeah, dude, I'm bullish on Cody. Listen, I clown Cardano, but I still own Cardano. I still do believe in it. It's been one of the best performers in the both previous two bull markets. So I have to believe in it in somewhat. CZ hints at Wes is getting pumped for Cody still. And then Drock wanted Ajax. Let's do Ajax for Drock. I don't know. Like, do we feel like the AI coins still got some juice? I don't know. It seems like they're kind of settling down a little bit. I don't know. I mean, they could just be kind of flagging out. I mean, look at Ajax here. Look at Ajax here, man. I mean, you're rising up, flagging out, rising up, flagging out. I mean, the flag really just going sideways consolidation. But like, you're kind of doing the same thing you did here. I don't know. It could be getting ready for that next juice up. I'm waiting for that green dot in the daily for these AI coins, right? It's Ocean, it's FET, right? A lot of these. I'm waiting for these green dots coming in right here. Okay, and this one's about to get that daily green dot. If you can close this daily candle green tomorrow, this is gonna post another green dot. Let me actually go to the 4-hour time frame here. The 4-hour actually kind of looks a little inverse head and shoulders-y to me too, right? If we like patterns, we got the left, we got the head, and we got the right, and there still is this inequality in the chart right here. See that inequality? Fast move down, you never reclaimed. Vector candle sitting there too. And if we look at this as an inverse head and shoulders, I kind of like this, man. I kind of like this one because the daily's about to print, the longer term time frames are about to print, and you got your 4-hour also showing, you know, sort of that. Okay, the bears are pushing it down, then they make a higher low, and they're losing a little bit of steam. It looks like they want to push it back up here. So I kind of like Ajax, man. I kind of like it. Man. I actually, if they have this on my exchange, I might go look at this one too. I kind of like this. Let's see. Yeah, 1 hour about to post a green dot too. So that's what could push you back to this resistance here. So I like this one. I do. And that measure move would basically just put you right back up to, I think, the highs. I bet, right? It's going to be exactly the highs. Yep, right at the highs. So let's see what we get. And that just could be a big M formation or something, you know? But we'll play it level by level here. But a move up to the highs, I think, makes sense on this one. Bitcoin just chilling. That's okay. Bitcoin chilling. Can let some altcoins run a little bit here. You're getting some good altcoin moves at the moment. GRT. Yeah, GRT is another one, man. GRT is another one was going nuts. Now it's just kind of settling in. I like that. This is what we talked about this morning, man. I like GRT here, right? Remember this morning when GRT was sitting like right here? We're like, okay, if we can get a pullback back to the EMAs, back to this W formation highs, and then hold this range, I like that setup. I like that setup a lot. I do like that setup, actually. But yeah, like rise, retrace, looking for the continuation. And the longer term time frames still look good. Let me zoom out a little bit. We do a little quick little zoom. A little zoomy zoom. I mean, if you look what GRT did, it just, you had this previous resistance over here. You rose, came back down, held it as support. Right? Now you're looking to get that next leg. I mean, whenever Bitcoin's ready, I'm looking for 32 if Bitcoin wants to get up there. But the immediate short-term time frames I think are really good with that W formation at the lows. Looks juicy. Very, very juicy. Very, very juicy in my opinion. This one doesn't, I don't think this one just insta-dumps. It doesn't make sense to just insta-dump from here in my opinion. But that's my opinion. Opinion is not, I guess, a valid strategy, I guess. No. Mr. Hart said I went on GRT today. Yeah, dude, I love this chart, actually. I love this chart. This is another one where I got to take another look at because if it can me, you already got the W formation. Let's see. See this one, I want to wait for a little retrace back down to the low and then get it on that low when we come up. But I do like Tizzle, my nizzle. Know what I'm saying? 4 hours getting a nice reaction off this. The 4 hour is getting a decent reaction right now off the 0.5. Nothing crazy, but you are getting a little reaction off that. Let's see. Google's AI name sucks. Wait, what's their AI name? Bard? Oh yeah, Bard. It sounds like a piece of shit. It sounds like a piece of lard. You got the Bard. You know what I mean? Like, why do they name it that, man? Like shit. Shit, man. All right. Still think the 15-minute looks good here on Bitcoin. I mean, you can see that the bears are trying to push it down, but they're wicking it. They're wicking it. Showing the buying pressure getting bought up here, at least in the immediate short term. So I do think this is going to get a move up here in the immediate short term, especially if you start printing that hourly green dot, which should be printed in the next 2 hours, as long as Bitcoin doesn't make a new low, which I don't think it just breaks a new low like instantly here. I don't think that doesn't make sense to me, unless it's like super bearish, you know. Dollar's still just chilling, and the stock markets are red. But I honestly, every single day the futures have been red. Like every single day, even during green days, they're always freaking red. Let's see. What else we looking at here? What else we looking at here? If BTC can just stay at this level, alts might pump. Yeah, I mean, like I said, Bitcoin dominance is at a big position, right? Bitcoin dominance is at this high over here, right? So you have one of two scenarios here. You have a scenario where Bitcoin dominance, you know, starts to come back down, right? And finally breaks from this wedge formation. Alts, that's when alts really go freaking bananas. Or you have number two. If it gets back above Lift's level, we're looking for all the way back up to the high of this range, right? And that could mean two things. That can mean Bitcoin's dumping and alts are bumping more, or that can mean that Bitcoin's going to lead the charge. Kind of like it has really for the last like 2 weeks, right? Where Bitcoin's been kind of pumping more than alts on average, right? And that's why you've seen Bitcoin dominance go up, even with crypto going up, right? So that it could be one of two scenarios. That's basically what it tells you. But almost all the time when Bitcoin dominance goes down, that almost every single time means that alts will be pumping more than Bitcoin. You almost never see alts dump less than Bitcoin. Almost never. You almost never see that. So this will be interesting here, how this sort of plays out. Like a big head and shoulders here on dominance, or just another pump, you know. It'll be interesting. Interesting, man. BTC is a pump and dump coin. BTC is a pump and dump coin. Huh? Maya said no, it's Gala. Oh, man. We're never buying Gala. I'm never buying Gala again. Never. Shit. Gala is a witch. Just kidding. I know a lot of you guys like Gala. You're going to be like, Jordan, don't call Gala a witch. That's ridiculous. Don't be calling Gala a witch. Let's see. Gary Gensler said, you guys are ready for some serious fun. We got Gary Gensler in the chat, man. Gary Gensler in the freaking chat. Get ready for some fun, man. The FUD's coming. You know, Gary Gensler, he's seeing, Bitcoin recovering a little bit. He's loading up the new FUD, right? He's sitting there going, he is literally sitting there going, right, with his big friggin' lizard-looking face, like this. I'm gonna release so much FUD tomorrow. Let crypto pump tonight. Oh man, we'll see. Do you guys notice how at the lows, you guys notice this? At the lows, the SEC wasn't doing shit, right? And this is why I always say this shit's rigged, man. Because, but you notice how the FUD really hasn't been affecting crypto, man. It hasn't. Like Bitcoin has not had a dump because of FUD yet, right? Despite, I mean, you've been seeing stable coins get attacked the last like 2 weeks, and Bitcoin hasn't given a shit. But like, do you guys notice how down here, okay, there was almost no, I mean, you had the FTX dump, but after that, I mean, in this range, there was no FUD, right? No FUD on the way up, right? We're just going to let the market pump. And then all of a sudden, when you get back into this range, the SEC at the highs goes after every freaking stable. You can't make this shit up, man. I mean, it's like clockwork. It's always like clockwork. You always, when you get to a big resistance level, expect some type of FUD. I'm going to be honest, guys. You want to know my wild guess? And this is just going based off, what I've seen. I would be surprised if whenever Bitcoin does this. I'm not going to say it's going to do it now. Let's say it does it, way down the line, whatever. Bitcoin comes up to highs, right? And then it's some reason you get to resistance, and then the SEC says like they're banning all Tether. Tether is illegal. And you pump back down. That's always how it is. It always happens at resistance. It never happens at support. Every single time. Shit's rigged, man. Rigged. Anyways, that's my semi-hopium for the day. Guys, what do you think? You think Bitcoin's gonna pump or dump tomorrow? You think it's gonna settle down for a little bit? How are you guys feeling? You guys still feeling bullish not in the short term, I guess? Are you guys still feeling bullish in the medium term, aka let's say the next few weeks, not the next few days? I mean, next few days. Are you guys feeling bullish or bearish for the next couple weeks? Let me know in the chat. How's everyone feeling, man? I want to know how everyone's feeling in the chat. We're not going to do a poll because you guys, I think you guys spoof those polls. I really do. I think everyone just votes bullish on them. Let's see. Mario says pump. Jacob says pump. Truk says 30K. What do we got in here? Edward's playing chess, not checkers. You should always, dude, checkers is, I think, better than chess. That's my take. It's my take. And if you're good at checkers, man, you can beat anyone. Let's see. Bullish until 35K. Crab, said Dan. Bullish till 27. 12K next week, said Psycho Pearl. Oh my God. That would be insane. Imagine. Bearish till 13K. 28,800. I'm putting all my money. I'm bullish very short term, bearish long term. So it seems like most people still feeling pretty bullish, but that wasn't the vibe I was getting earlier. Maybe all the bears just came from the beginning of the stream and left. Let's see. Judge is feeling comfortable. Yeah, I mean, right now, I think, when we really look at what we did, right? I mean, I'm looking at 2 days ago, right? Unless you FOMO'd in right here, you're not really feeling any different than you did at any time, right? There's not really any reason to feel different. If anything, I think it's awesome that Bitcoin actually came up and tagged this level. At least showed that I can do it, right? And at least ate some of the sell orders here. At least let people take some profits on the first move up. So that if we do come up and retest, it should be relatively I mean, that's easier to break it, but less people will be taking profits because more people took profits the first time, you know? So I think that's a good sign. To me, like, if you were feeling, like, look at where you are, right? I mean, 2 days ago, you were sitting down at 21,500 depressed because you thought Bitcoin was going to go down to 19K before coming back up, right? Now we're sitting at 23,732, right? Still up from 2 days ago, 11%, okay? And we really haven't gone anywhere, right? I mean, we're kind of just at the top of this range now, you know? So, you know, it really for me, it's until if Bitcoin starts closing, if Bitcoin breaks back below the range here, if Bitcoin breaks, like, really this is the golden pocket. If Bitcoin breaks below 22,700, then it's kind of getting a little sketch. But up here, I think it's a little overreaction. A little overreaction to the DXY coming up. And I do think the DXY does look like it wants to come up tomorrow, right, to this 786. I hope it does it after hours, though, right? Because you see it is coming up right now after hours. So how awesome would it be if the DXY pumps up, comes up here in the morning time frame, okay, hits the 786, and by the time it comes up to the 786, the market opens, right, and then the dollar comes down off the gold, off the 786. Because you always get a reaction off fib levels. That'd be pretty cool. That'd be pretty cool. Once again, if the dollar breaks to 786, I mean, it's probably gonna pump pretty damn hard. But yeah, we'll see what happens there. Anyways, guys, I am getting out of this bitch. Someone, what'd you ask? What EMA do you use? The 30 and 50, man. 30 and the 50. 30 and the 50. To me, that's when you see the most reactions off the 30 and 50. After days, weeks of looking at a chart. 30 and 50. But anyways, I'm out of this bitch. Take care. I'll see you guys tomorrow, 8 o'clock for the member stream. Let's see what happens tomorrow. I do think tomorrow will be an important day to kind of, okay, we have the dust settled now. Let's see what the Bulls and the Bears want to do going into tomorrow after a pump and a dump. Let's see how the dust settles. All right. I'm out of this bitch. Have a fantastic night, guys. We'll eat the shrimp tomorrow. All right. The shrimp will get eaten tomorrow. Hope I like it. There's 52 grams of protein in this bitch. Okay. Now I smell like shrimp. Right. 52 grams of protein in this bitch. So I'm out of here. Peace out. Have a good night, guys. Later. Yeah, you always know it's an awkward. I always have an awkward exit, guys. I need like a good exit. Everyone else kind of like makes it nonchalant. I just make it super awkward. I don't know why. I make it super awkward. Everyone else, like, it's just like a nice little outro, right? They do their quick shills and then they're out. You know, they say, hey, if you want to sign up on Bybit and leverage trade, right? Make sure you do it safe. Sign up using my link down below, right? I also have a KuCoin link down below if you want to use that. Sign up for that if you want to. All right. Have a fantastic night, guys. I'm out. Peace. And they have some cool little song that plays, you know. I have the weird ass pump song, you know. All right, later, guys. I'm out. Peace.